Hey friends, if you wish to fix white screen on Windows laptop or computer monitor, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the graphics card hardware manually. Now, what does this mean? So this is something that should be done by a trained technician, and the reason that this has been suggested as a solution is because if you check through the internet, there's no other solution to it. I mean, we can obviously update the graphics card driver and then the hardware troubleshooter and reset the system and all, but that is not helping in most of the cases. So it could be that the graphics card is not connected to the system properly or is connected to the motherboard loosely. So ask a hardware technician to check this. Now, as for what we can try, we can update the graphics card driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the first one, display adapter. Second one, update driver. Done. Click on action, select scan for hardware changes. Right click on it, uninstall device. Right click on this, uninstall device, action, and scan for hardware changes. This is the maximum that we can do. And obviously we can run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So I have the command line here and I have pasted it in the description section of the video, or you can remember it: msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R button together, clear the field, paste it here, hit enter, and then click on next. It will start detecting. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.